Changing graphic colors in Canva is like giving your design a new outfit. It's quick and adds a personal touch to your projects. If you are wondering how to do it, let me teach you it in a simple step-by-step tutorial. First, let me tell you that not all Canva graphics are created equal. Some allow you to change their colors while others don't. Think of it like shopping for clothes. Some items are one size fits all, while others come with tailoring options. Graphics with editable colors are like clothes with adjustable straps. They let you customize the fit. Let's say you have a graphic of a birthday present. You decide that another color of the present would look better. Here is how to change it. Click the graphic to select it. In the toolbar above your project, select a color you want to change. Now choose a new color from the palette or enter a specific color code. That's it. You have changed a color in the graphic. Now, the question is why you cannot change colors in a certain graphics. Here is the deal. Some graphics are too detailed for color edits. Think of them as a painting. They are locked in their original colors because they are image-based. Canva reserves color editing for simple graphics with fewer colors. A Santa graphic with shades of red, white, black and beige might not be editable, but a candy cane with 2 colors usually is. If you are struggling to find colors that allow edit, search for keywords like editable graphics or color change graphics in Canva search bar. This helps you filter options better. However, changing color in graphics that allow it is easy in Canva. So, I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.